Is there a difference between what I show and who I really am? I think the difference is huge. In real life, I can be super socially anxious. I get shy easily, I'm afraid to speak first, and I'd much rather stay in for a cozy night than go out partying with the crowd. I've heard so many times that people's first impressions of me is that I'm arrogant, rude, or selfish. People thought a lot of labels on me just because I have an OF. But the truth is, I genuinely value kindness toward others, honestly, and supporting the people around me in whatever they choose to do.